everyone, it's Krissy from AccuWeather. We have another fun cooking activity here, and this time we're going to try and cook some chocolate chip cookies in my car. It's another sunny day here. It is early August, so the sun is not quite at its peak strength, but still it's a hot day. Temperatures are expected to rise to near 90 degrees, and right now it is around noon, and the temperature of my dashboard, looking here using the infrared thermometer, look at that, a reading of 176 degrees. So we're going to see how long it takes to cook these cookies. Hey everyone, it's been about an hour and 15 minutes since we started baking these cookies, and I felt the outside of them. It is pretty firm. I also stuck a toothpick in them and no dough came out, so I'm going to take one of the cookies off just to check and see how the inside looks. So here is the underside of the cookie that we had baking inside my hot car. While the top of it looked done and ready to eat, the bottom still looks a little too gooey. So I'm going to leave that second cookie in the car for a little longer, and hopefully we can get it cooked throughout and ready to eat. Well, if you don't have an oven, we have proven that you can use your car to bake some chocolate chip cookies. Here's a cookie that was sitting in my car for just over 2 hours, and look at the top and the bottom of it. Definitely a good looking chocolate chip cookie that we can eat. And when I pulled this cookie out of my quote-unquote oven, I used my infrared thermometer and saw that the temperature of the cookie sheet was around 180 degrees, so definitely dangerously hot. It's great that we can eat some chocolate chip cookies, but it's a good reminder that cars can become dangerously hot if the windows are up and the air conditioning is not on.